Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, basically my entire face is done and the only thing I'm missing are lashes and a lip. How I apply lashes. This is probably something that's so simple to me now that I know how to do it, but it's a question that I get a lot. Like, you guys have been asking me to do a video on this forever, and I just never really thought about it. I don't know, because it comes so easy to me that I forget that it's challenging for some people. So I'm going to show you guys what I do with a new pair of lashes to make sure they fit my eye, they're comfortable, and that they stay on well and they're not like sitting all crazy and wonky. We're going to go in from start to finish, beginning to end. I'm going to show you guys what lash glue I use, all that good stuff. So if you guys want to see how I apply lashes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm about to go take outfit pictures, and I already, y'all know, the Sienna lash from the Makeup Shack has been my go-to lash ever since I took them out of the box. I'm obsessed with these. They are so pretty. They're so flirty and fluffy and full. I just love them. But they're already cut to fit my eyes, so I feel like that's not really fair for you guys that don't know how to do lash application at all. So these are Kaylani from the Makeup Shack. Let me turn my volume off. These are Onyx and Kaylani. These are Onyx. Oh wait, I'm lying to you. These are Kaylani, and then these are Onyx. So I really don't want to take these out and cut them, but I'm just going to show you guys what I do with a new pair of lashes, even though I'm going to wear the Sienna. Okay, so first things first, you take them out, and when you're holding the box, hold it in front of your face. So this is your left lash, and this is your right lash. So you can take it off. I use tweezers. Take the lash off the packaging. I like to pull it off the tweezers just to be careful. And then I immediately place them on my lash line to measure them out and see how much I have to cut off, because it's very rare that I don't have to cut a lash. My eyes are small. I have a lot of lid space, but they're like small when it comes to like the length of them. So clearly these are way too long for me. Like, all this extra lash out here is not needed, and it's going to make your eyes look droopy. So I take that off. And by now, since I've been wearing lashes for a long time now, wow, my scissors are all the way upstairs. Hold on. Okay, so these aren't my regular scissors that I use for cutting lashes, clearly. But we're going to use them today because I'm in a rush. But I'm going to put this back up against my eye just to remind myself how much I need to cut off. So once I get to the end of my eye, obviously, everything else extra is what's being chopped off. So by now, I kind of know how much it usually is to cut off because I've been wearing lashes forever. And for the inner corner portion, For the inner corner portion, I don't like for my lashes, honestly, to go all the way in here. So I leave them kind of out here. It gets irritating having that inner corner poke your eye. And that looks pretty good. I probably could cut off a little bit more, but I feel like that looks decent enough. So once you glue them down, if they are too long, you'll definitely feel it. So if you have to, you can take them off and cut them off again. But besides that, that's how you measure them. So now you're ready to go ahead and glue on your lash. So now that we're doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and switch back to my Sienna lash from the Makeup Shack and apply these, because again, that's what I want to wear. So when you're using an old pair of lashes or a lash that you've worn before, I take off the glue with my nail. And be careful, because you can rip your lash in half. I've done it 1,000 times. It's probably the most devastating thing ever. But anyways, yeah, I'm just ripping the glue off of these lashes just so I can apply some more and pop them on. So that's what I'm doing. And for me, I like to use House of Lashes Dark Glue. That's the only lash glue that I use. I don't use anything else. I don't want to use anything else. That is my go-to. This glue is my go-to, my ride or die. I don't want to use nothing else. Okay, so this, I'm trying to see if I can show you how much glue I apply. Okay, so I'm just applying the lash glue to the lash band. And then I'm going to sit them down, and I let them sit for a while. I'm not really sure how, there are some people out here that use this lash glue and literally apply it, wait 30 seconds, and then place them on. It doesn't work for me. So, yeah. I'm applying the glue, and then I'm going to let it sit. And then I'm going to show you guys how I apply them. Okay, so I've waited a while, I feel like I should be able to glue these on by now. So I take a pair of tweezers, and I take the lash and I bring the lash all the way up to basically the lash band. And I like to look at my glue. If you can touch it and like tap it and see if it's tacky, but you definitely need to wait till the glue gets tacky before you start trying to apply them. Because if not, you're just going to have a lash that's going to slip and slide, and you're going to get frustrated and irritated because it's not going to sit still. But anyways, I like to take a mirror, like a hand mirror, anything, and I like to look down in a mirror. I feel like that helps me a lot more. I apply them a lot faster when I do that compared to me looking at the mirror right in front of me. Because then like I'm just like this when I could just be looking down in something. So looking down really helps me. So I take the lash. Should I zoom in? Like I was saying, I didn't think I was going to be leaving this makeup on. I thought I was going to be able to redo it, but I don't have enough time. So I'm looking down, and I'm going to put, like, I'm going to push my real lash. I'm going to push my real lashes down with the fake lash, like out of the way since they're short and curly. And I'm going to push this as close to my lash line as possible. So I applied in the middle first, and then I press down the inner and the outer corner. Is that Prince?
Yeah.
What's he doing? I know that made it look easy, but it's not as easy as it looks if you don't know what you're doing. So I'm going to show you guys one more time how I do it. But again, I'm taking the lash, I'm pushing my real lashes out of the way with this fake lash, and I'm just placing it as close as possible. And then I like to take the lash and really push it into my lash line to make sure there. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and throw a lip on. Why does it smell like vodka? Why does this look like this? I didn't think it was going to be this color. Okay, so that is how I apply my fake lashes. My lips look so crusty. Okay, so that's it for today's video. That is how I apply my lashes. I hope you guys learned something from that, and I hope it helped you guys. If you guys have any more questions though, and you want to know anything else about lashes or whatever, you can always comment it down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.